Process sales returns to reverse inventory, issue credits, and maintain accurate customer accounts. Sales return processing begins in the sales module to manage product reversals and credit adjustments efficiently. This centralized process ensures that every returned item is accurately tracked against original customer sales. The customer field identifies the specific account requiring credit and links the transaction to client records. The invoice reference validates that the return corresponds to a previously verified and billed customer transaction. Specifying the return quantity automatically recalculates the total credit value to ensure absolute financial accuracy. Detailed remarks provide a transparent audit trail that explains the specific business reason for this inventory reversal. Uploading attachment secures critical physical evidence of product damage to support and verify the credit claim. The summary section captures taxes and gross amounts to maintain fiscal integrity between sales and accounting. The net amount determines the final value returned to the customer ledger for accurate monthly reconciliation. Submitting the transaction initiates the formal approval workflow and immediately updates the company's financial position. Prompt submission ensures that credit notes are processed in the current fiscal period for accurate reporting. The listing view centralizes all return requests to provide the management team real-time operational visibility. Centralized tracking ensures every reversal is monitored from initial submission through to the final administrative resolution. Contextual summaries allow for the rapid review of return notes without leaving the primary dashboard. These previews facilitate faster decision-making by presenting critical return details at a single glance. Flexible display options enable management to organize and prioritize high-volume return data by operational value. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.